It's been a fantastic life. This is the girl I fell in love with in grade 9. She was 14, and we are now in our 70s and married for like 52 or 53 years.
No, 55.
55 years? Oh my God. And enjoying life all, more and more every day. We just travel and enjoy each other's company and love it. What do you think, Joan? You look pretty good there, eh? And you
Yeah.
still look good.
Well, we're traveling the world and we are loving life. We're drinking wine, eating food, and heading over to Europe, our favorite place. We're Canadians, but wow, what a life we've had, and we have so much to share. Love you guys. Ciao.
Keep tuned.